Greetings, everyone. I would like to comment and give out my opinion onto a place downtown in Moncton, New Brunswick, a place where they claim to recone tweeters and refoam subwoofers. Place is called Bob's Speaker Repair Shop. If you see the ad on the internet, should look something similar, like so. I had the opportunity to deal with the gentleman. All I have to say is, instead of taking old speakers and trying to make miracles out of them, sometimes it's just better to go out and buy new drivers. I paid for $30 for to put on a simple piece of cloth onto a tweeter that was previously already damaged. As you can see, all that was done was just to basically take out the remaining of the cone and put a simple piece of cloth on top of it, and charge $30, which is what I found a complete rip-off. And I don't see no speaker repair in this. I don't call this speaker repair or a recone or whatever you want to call it. And also, if you take a look at what claims to be a refund, looks decent, but if you take a closer look, you can hear the voice coil rubbing against the magnet, which is totally off the axis. That's not the way it's supposed to be. And so if you take a closer look at the other woofer, which was done, same deal. You can hear the coil rubbing against the magnet. Totally not lined up. On the ad, it claims to $110. He charged me $120, and if you can see the surroundings coming off, so not quality glue, of course. In my opinion, if you're going to try to repair a speaker, you should, unless you're not going to be using it for very high volume, you might just get a new driver altogether. Save your time, save some frustration, and I don't deal that way. I'm an honest man. If something's not right, I either refund or I repair, or it's not the way to do. It's not the way that you should be doing business. That's all I have to say. Remember, if you see this ad, I don't recommend this. Not at all. Not one bit. Thank you.